Hi YouTubers and Facebookers and social mediaers and everybody else. My family and I just got back from Buffalo, New York on a vacation, and it was great seeing family and friends. I loved seeing everybody. If I didn't see you, I promise we're going to look you up next time. There's a lot of people I didn't get to see. We're going to see you next time we come out. Before I moved out west about 5 or 6 years ago, some friends of mine in Ohio, musician friends, we wrote and recorded a really cool song we call Nautical Mile. It's progressive rock, interesting to listen to, so check it out. I just bought this drone before I came to Buffalo and have no experience with it at all. This is a Mavic Pro, first version, but it shoots like 4K video, and it's got a stabilizer on the camera and all of this and all of that. It's affordable, and I brought it with me for Buffalo just as something to do. So I went out to a couple different locations around the city in Western New York, took some aerial footage, and then I just put it together with a song called Nautical Mile. And enjoy. Oh yeah, one last thing I almost forgot. Ina, happy birthday. I love you.
It's a killer you will see. Feel like you're floating out to sea. Rising so damn slowly. The waves are rushing out to sea. Please let me blacken out my face. Let me blacken out my face. Please, these broken pieces for me. I need some inspiration, please. My thoughts are racing up to sea. Please, just let me blacken out my face. Please, just let me blacken out my face. Please,
we're gonna miss. And I know that. What's that?